Hey everyone, it's CryptoVicious, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into our comprehensive Bitcoin and crypto market analysis as we close out December and gear up for 2025. With the 4-year crypto cycle unfolding as expected, we're entering a new phase of the bull market, and there's a lot to cover. In this video, we'll break down Bitcoin's cycle progress and realistic price expectations, upcoming pullback predictions and strategies to prepare, Ethereum Price Action, and Bitcoin Dominance. Plus, we'll look at Solana. If you're ready for a detailed roadmap of what to expect as we head deeper into this cycle, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with Bitcoin, the centerpiece of the crypto market. There's been plenty of hype surrounding $200,000 or even $250,000 Bitcoin, but let's stay grounded and realistic. We don't need to sell at the exact top. We just want to secure profits near the top before the market reverses. Historically, each Bitcoin cycle sees diminishing returns. Cycle 1, 9,700% gain. Cycle 2, 1,500% gain. Cycle 3, approximately 250% gain. If history repeats, we're looking at a gain below 250% this cycle. Let's do some quick math. 250% from the previous all-time high of $69,000 gives us $172,000. More realistically, we're targeting between $118,000 and $160,000. While shouting $250,000 might be fun, it's probably unrealistic. For now, a range between $118,000 and $160,000 is a reasonable expectation. Looking back at November, it was a breakout month, kicking off the green phase of the bull market. This phase has historically been the most explosive part of Bitcoin's 4-year cycle. 1 year down from the top, 2 years across during accumulation and consolidation, and about 11 months up in the bull phase. For those following the channel, we've been discussing the importance of the accumulation phase. And for reference, back on September 19th, there were opportunities to buy below $60,000. And if you did, you're now in an excellent position. Now that the bull market is in full swing, the big question is, when will the next major pullback occur? Let's look at the previous cycles. In 2021, a major pullback started in April, lasting 4 to 5 months. In the cycle before that, we saw a 40% correction in September, spanning 6 to 7 months. Going further back, another significant pullback happened around April. The recurring pattern here? April tends to be a critical month for mid-cycle corrections. Based on this, we're projecting a pullback between March and May 2025, likely causing a 30 to 40% correction. This is important to note. A mid-cycle pullback is not the market top. Panic will set in, and many will call for the end of the bull market. Historically, the market rallies back up after this correction, pushing into the final euphoric phase. As we move deeper into the bull run, it's time to shift focus towards selling strategies. Timing the market perfectly is nearly impossible, but we can use tools like Fibonacci extensions to set realistic sell zones. Sell 20% at level 1, sell 30% at level 2, sell another 30% at level personally. I plan to start taking profits around $118,000 and be fully out of the market by $160,000. This strategy helps secure gains and reduces risk. Here's how I'm approaching it. 1. Mid-cycle pullback, March-May 2025. Use this time to reduce exposure and lock in profits. Second final euphoric phase, October 2025. This is likely where Bitcoin will peak. Ethereum is looking strong as we enter this bull market. The key level to watch is $4,000. If Ethereum breaks and holds $4,000, I expect a final push higher, tracking Bitcoin's movements. Similar to previous cycles, ETH could peak shortly after Bitcoin's top. Bitcoin dominance has pushed higher than expected, showing the market's favor for BTC. However, dominance should peak soon, and when it does, expect altcoin season. The ETH to BTC ratio also signals that altcoins will likely outperform Bitcoin once BTC tops. So, if you've been holding ETH or other altcoins during the bear market, stay patient. Your time is coming. Solana has broken into all-time highs. If you've been holding Solana since early this year, you're sitting on massive gains. Congratulations. However, buying at these levels is risky. If Bitcoin keeps running, Solana could push higher before eventually consolidating. To wrap up, Bitcoin, Realistic target range is $118,000 to $160,000. Be ready for a mid-cycle pullback around March-May 2025. Ethereum, break and hold $4,000 for its next leg up. Altcoins, Bitcoin dominance should peak soon, signaling the start of altcoin season. Solana has a promising setup, but manage risk carefully. Markets won't play out exactly like previous cycles, but history provides a clear guide. Stick to your strategy, have a plan, and take profits near the top to avoid getting caught in the hype. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. What's your price target for Bitcoin this cycle? Remember, this is not financial advice, and please do your own research. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.